Hi guys and welcome. Today I'd like to show you how to use React and Tailwind CSS inside of an Astro framework. In case you don't know, Astro is an amazing framework for building static websites, blogs, etc. One very cool feature about it is that you can load pretty much any modern framework into it. So for example, you can have one page with React, Vue, and Svelte. That's pretty much amazing. So basically, you can collaborate with Astro, you can collaborate with many different developers and I don't know, make something happen. So without further ado, let's begin with our thing. So right here, I'm going to open a terminal and I will go to my desktop, and here I'm going to make a directory called, I don't know, Astro React Tailwind, so art. So let's go cd into art. You need to go to this webpage, so astro.build, and copy this command. So let's get back to our terminal and create Astro 8 latest. So where it will ask us a few questions. If I press dot, it will install in my current directory. So it will ask us about template. Let's not use any template. Let's begin with an empty project, and it will ask us, would we like to install npm dependencies? Yes. This will take a while, so I will speed this process up. So now it's asking us, would we like to initialize Git repository? It's up to you. I will do it afterwards. How would you like to set up TypeScript? For this project I will not use TypeScript, and basically we're done. We can open this folder with the editor of our choice. I'm using VS Code, so it will ask me some few questions, and that's it. So the folder structure is pretty similar to Next.js, I believe. So in the pages, this is our index HTML. So let's open an integrated terminal in this case, and we will run the development server npm run dev. If we go to localhost 3000, we will see just one thing, Astro, and we will let's test it. Astro rocks. There we go. So before we begin, I'd like to do something because we are integrating Tailwind CSS. So I would like to make a new file called style CSS. So style CSS and import one font. So I want to import Poppins. So write this one and let's go to CSS rule and import it. And let's make a body with font family Poppins sans serif. There we go. All I wanted to do. Now let's get back to Astro. We can stop the development server and we can go to docs, integrations, and let's begin with the React. So look how it is easy to add React. You copy one command, npx astro add React. So let's paste it. Would you like to install it? Yes. Installing dependencies. So right now it is asking us, Astro will make the following changes to your config file. If we open this file, astro.config.js, and we press here, we press Y, it's gonna add React as our integrated framework. So this is all what it's doing. Now right here, let's go to Tailwind CSS, and again add it with a very simple command, npx astro add tailwind. Yes, so it's installing dependencies. Astro will generate tailwind config. Okay, and now it's also going to import it into this file, astroconfig.mjs. Yes, and as you can see, tailwinds has been added. So one thing I'd like to do is I'd like to copy, I believe I saw it here, yeah, tailwind directives. So let's copy tailwind directives here. Okay, and we have to import our style CSS. So import, so /styles CSS. And if we run our development server, so I can just go here and here, yeah, now the font is Poppins. So let's go to class. Let's add test the tailwinds. So class text 5xl. Perfect. This works. Let's begin right now with React. So in the source folder, I will make a new folder called components. And in the components, I will make a basic simple counter.jsx. I'm using ES7 plus extension. So let's scaffold this. For this component, we're gonna use useState. So useState snippet, and I will declare this as counter, set counter, initialize it with 0. And here I'm just gonna import useState in case. Okay. So because we have Tailwind, let's style this a little bit. You know what? Before we begin styling it, let's import it in our index.html. So I'm going to import this counter and let's just declare it here so we are able to see it. So we will just write counter. So this is our counter component. Here, because we have CSS, Tailwind CSS, in React we use class names, so let's make it a bit, let's style it a little bit. So I'm gonna go with the display flex, margin on x-axis auto. I'm gonna do, what else do I need to do? So space on the x-axis, let's do it like 8, and I believe that that will be enough. In this component we'll make just 2 simple buttons and 2 simple functions. So let's go with the first button, background blue, I don't know, 700, text white. We're gonna do height 8 and width 8. So, and let's add just a plus sign. Perfect, that's our button. And let's copy the same thing basically and paste it here, and instead of blue let's add red, and instead of plus let's add minus. And here in here let's declare our counter. Okay, so let's style this a little bit more. So we're gonna go justify center, items center. There we go. So now our component is in the center. Let's make our functions. So on click we're gonna do an arrow function that's gonna call set counter, and basically it's gonna take whatever previous state is and add 1 to it. Excellent. Copy the whole thing, paste it down on our decrement or minus button, and everything should work. So in order for this component to work, we'll need to go here and use this directive. So client load. This directive is saying, hey browser, when you load this page, load this component immediately. Therefore client load. Okay, and let's see if it works. Yes, perfectly, it's working. So I'm just gonna style it a little bit more, and I'm gonna leave the link to Git repo so you can use it for whatever you want. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye.